Hey, are you bored of those same old round app icons on your Samsung phone? I get it, everything looks the same. But what if I told you that you can totally customize them, even make them star-shaped or heart-shaped? Let me show you how. So first things first, you're gonna need an app called Theme Park. You can install it through Good Lock or Fine Lock. If you're not sure how to get Good Lock, I've already made a video on that. Go check it out. Alright, once you've got Theme Park installed, open it up and tap the icon menu at the bottom. Then hit the Create New button. Now here's where the magic happens. You can choose any icon shape you want. Circle, square, heart, star, bubble, you name it. You can even add your own custom shape if you're feeling creative. You can also play around with the icon color if you want something that matches your vibe. Same with the tray color. Make it your own. Once you're happy with how everything looks, tap the download button at the top right. Give your icon pack a name, anything you like, and tap OK. It'll take a few seconds to build. And finally, just tap the icon pack you created and hit Apply. Boom! All your app icons just got a glow up. Pretty cool, right? It's a small tweak, but it makes your phone feel a lot more you. Try it out and let me know which shape you picked. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung customization tips. Catch you in the next one.